These GLP-1 medications have worked better than anything that I've ever used. And I've used, tons of tools, surgeries, a lot of things like that. But this has got the food noise. I mean, I'm not obsessed with food anymore as long as I'm on the medication. Yeah, I have been not struggling with food noise, and that is so pivotal to this whole journey, to not have that food noise. That's what we all fight, because we're all, obsessed with food. Even when you're not hungry, you're obsessed with food. You're thinking, oh, what's my next meal? What's my next snack? What's next? So anyway, I'm going to take my shot, and you remove the base. First of all, always remember to remove that base. Then you unlock it. They say hold it for 10 seconds. I'm giving it in my arms. I never feel a shot. They don't hurt. So if you're afraid of shots or anything, then just don't look and you don't feel. I don't anyway. Some people I've heard complain, but I think a lot of those are the people that don't have the pre-loaded pants. Anyway, I was 175 pounds this morning. I can't, that's okay. This whole thing is a process, and when you have so much going on in your life, it's a process that you have to fit in. Yeah. So my main thing that I have been doing is just trying to eat healthy. Lean meats, vegetables, some fruits, some cheese, because I love my cheese. Look, I think cheese is good for you. Peanut butter, things like that. I've just been trying to eat really healthy and, not any processed foods. I did see this guy make this homemade peanut butter fudge. Real simple, 3 ingredients. So I whipped up a little batch last night. That's probably why. I've been weighing 174 for days, and today I was 175. That's okay. I'm really close to goal, and I'm feeling really good. And, of course, I still am struggling with the energy thing, but that's all. Everything's going to work out. I just have to stay steady, consistent, and that's, my goals. That's my goals. Staying consistent, steady, and taking my shots every week, reporting how I'm losing. And, there's so many ways to approach losing weight, but the one thing we all have to do is we have to have a why. Why are we doing it, and if we're ready? And of course, my why years ago was my mobility. I was in a wheelchair, 400 pounds. Couldn't do anything, and now I've lost 230 pounds. I got 2 new knees. I did a year of physical therapy, and I don't have to use a walker or a wheelchair anymore. I'm 65. I still have arthritis. I still have problems. I'm going to be getting new hips. I'm going to be getting new skin surgery. I have a lot of things coming up that I'm really excited about my future. Really excited. And I'm doing lots of studying behind the scenes to learn editing, filming, and business. Just trying. I'm a baby boomer, booming with ideas and things that I want to do, because we got a lot. We're still alive. We're still breathing. We got a lot of living to do. Life isn't over just because you're 65. It's a whole new world. A whole new world. Whole new start. Thank you for following me. Thank you for watching the video. If you got to the end, give me a purple heart if you are a content creator. If not, just say thumbs up, Debbie G's. Let's just do this. We're gonna stick with it. Consistency, sticking with it. It's the whole key. It really is. Sticking with it. Even if you have to take a day off once in a while. you come right back.